In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's RGB Multigloz kit. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Grab the 12-volt plug and insert into the vehicle's 12-volt outlet. Based on where you'd like to mount the Multigloz kit, you may need to use an extension kit. With Alpena's Install Kit EasyLink, you have two 12-inch extensions that can allow for longer reach on your wire length. In some cases, you may need multiple kits, so plan ahead. Connect the male end of the EasyLink strip or extension into the 12-volt adapter's EasyLink female end. You can turn the lights on to make sure they are connected properly. Plan where you'd like to mount the LED strips. Use a mix of soap and hot water to clean the surface area before mounting. For added measure, also use rubbing alcohol. Be sure to avoid using acetone cleaning products as they can potentially damage plastic parts and leave residue. When the surface is dry from cleaning, peel off the 3M tape from the LED strips. Place the exposed 3M tape onto the surface and press firmly on the strips. Now repeat the cleaning and mounting process for the opposite footwell area. Once connected, you're ready to use the controller. Press power for on and off. Press brightness for brightness level. Press cycle to cycle through colors or pause in a color. Press pulse to pulse through colors. You can now place your controller on a flat surface by removing the 3M double-sided tape. Tidy up the excess wiring along the side of your seats and make sure it does not interfere with the seat functions. Your accessory light is now connected.